How to add emoji stickers in NanoBanana.AI. In this video, I will show you how to add the emoji stickers to your photos or videos in NanoBanana.AI. So let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred browser. I'm going to use the Chrome. And once you're inside, search for NanoBanana.AI. You can see it right over here. Let's tap on it. Once you're inside the NanoBanana.AI, simply scroll down to the AI editor section. So here's the AI editor section, and under AI editor section you'll be seeing two options, image to image and text to image. As we're going to add the emoji stickers, we're gonna use the first option, that is image to image. So it's already chosen, so let's keep it as it is. And there, just below it, you can see an option called reference image, and just below it there's an option called add image, and here you can add up to 9 images. Now let's tap on this add image right over here. Then tap on the photo where you want to add the emoji stickers. For example, I want to add emoji stickers in this one. Let's tap on it and tap on done. While it's loading, simply tap on this main prompt right over here. And over here, describe what type of emoji stickers that you want to add to your photo. For example, maybe it's add grumpy panda emoji stickers in the image. Then once you are done writing the prompt, simply tap on generate now, which is right over here. Just tap on it. Then NanoBanana.AI will process your request. It may take a time. Let's wait for a while and let's see the result in output gallery. And here you can see it have added the emojis to the photo. I think it's good. And that's how you can add the emoji stickers in NanoBanana.AI. I hope this video was helpful. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.